Hello traders, and today we're going to be getting into supply and demand trading. I'm going to only cover the basics in this video so that you guys can actually understand and implement this information on the live market. And then the next advanced video will be coming out next weekend so that you guys have, again, the time to just analyze everything I'm about to show you guys. So there's a area of demand which is bullish and an area of supply which is bearish. So in an area of demand, you're going to see a break of structure above a previous high of the market. And to mark up your demand zone, you're going to need the last bearish candle before the long up move that broke that area of structure. And then you're going to see price pull back into that area, and you're going to see a retest before price goes higher. And if you're trading against the trend, always look for a confirmation or do not take the trade. And always, again, trail your stop losses and take profits so that you guys can maximize your trades and just get the best out of it. And for an area of supply, you're going to look for a break of structure, taking out a low, and again, pulling back up to that zone. And to mark up an area of supply, make sure it's the last up candle before the overall down move. And when price pull back, try to look for confirmation again when you're trading against the trend. So this confirmation entry would be in a downtrend, and for an area of supply it would be in an uptrend. And overall, just make sure you're taking care of your stop losses and risk to reward. Your win rate doesn't have to be that good. It can be 20%, 30%, as long as it's over 10% and you have a good risk to reward, you will always make profit. I believe I actually announced this trade. As you guys can see, I marked it up. So if price impulsively broke through, it's probably going to retest and go higher. And if it just retested, it would have went lower. And this was a Bitcoin trade. So if we go back here, you guys can see, I'm going to actually just show you guys this. So you can see we had a low taken out from price here. So this was an area of supply. I marked up the last up candle before the down move. And sometimes you might want to look for liquidity. This is a bit advanced, so I'm not going to just talk too much about it. So say you're trading an area of supply, you want to look for liquidity. That's something looks like this. So there's like basically a double bottom or a double top, or just an area of support and resistance. So this would have been an area of liquidity where people were, retail traders were just selling on these, and then price went lower a bit and took them out. But anyways, so price came back to this area. You didn't need to look for a confirmation because price was in a downtrend. So this sell, and then there was this area of demand. I just marked it up because I thought it would work. But again, it was a downtrend, so you can see price broke that area of demand and came back, retested, and made a reversal from there. And then this was an area of supply too, so price came back here, retested, went lower, created this area of liquidity. You can see I took longs here because I knew price was going to pull back right over here. So I started looking for sells right here. Again, I announced this in the Discord server. If you really want to join the Discord server, I believe I linked the website for the community in the description, so the Discord isn't on that website. Anyways, I hope you guys understood the basic idea of supply and demand. Again, make sure to test this out in the live markets. It works in the Forex market, crypto market, sometimes even in the stock market. I prefer to trade support and resistance in the stock market because it's a little more simplified. So again, make sure to practice this before we get into the advanced lessons next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. Comment down below any videos, ideas, and just something you might want to learn, any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.